News.
All right, Amy, thank you. And today we saw the most new COVID-19 cases in 5 months in North Carolina. The state added more than 3,200 cases today, the most since February. The percent positive went down slightly, but still remains high at 9.3%. 12 more people died from the virus today in North Carolina. The amount of people in the hospital increased for the 19th day in a row. There are more than 1,100 patients seeking treatment. That is 50 more than yesterday.
Testing numbers are up 42% in Wake County compared to just a few weeks ago, and experts say the Delta variant is really what's driving that increase.
CBS 17's Bridget Chapman joins us live at a testing site in Raleigh. Bridget, what's it looking like out there?
Yeah, Angela, it's been busy. We're at the testing site on Kidd Road. You can see there are still some cars coming in here. It's been a pretty steady line of people coming through to get their tests. Now, workers here don't account for whether or not people are vaccinated. They don't keep track of that. But they do say it has been the busiest they've seen in months. Cars are lining up at COVID-19 testing sites across Wake County.
Find a place to park, follow those instructions, and then bring it up to that tent when you're all set.
Drivers spilled out into the road at this site in Wake Forest Thursday, all waiting to get their swab. Has it been this busy?
This is probably the busiest it's been so far, but it's been getting progressively busier.
It's a trend Wake County officials are seeing across the board, saying testing numbers have gone up 42% over the past couple weeks as COVID cases rise.
As we are all seeing in the news and hearing that, we are seeing an increase in cases, and particularly the Delta variant. It is concerning, and people are wanting and needing access to get tested.
Even vaccinated people are advised to get tested if they have symptoms or have had an exposure.
We're seeing now with the Delta variant that it's possible that individuals that have been vaccinated can actually get COVID-19 and can potentially spread it.
Dr. Nicole Mushanga with Wake County says they put more testing in vaccine sites at the same locations so people can do both at once. They're seeing walk-up vaccinations increase, but not as much as testing numbers have.
The best way that individuals in the community can protect themselves is if they have not gotten a vaccine already, is to definitely get vaccinated.
So again, for Wake County, they've seen about a 42% increase in the past few weeks. Statewide, that number is at about 30% of an increase. But I do want to point out, although it has been busy, my photographer and we got tested ourselves when we were on this story about 4 hours ago. Already, pull that back up, already got those results. So they are still turning around pretty quickly. Reporting live in Raleigh, Bridget Chapman, CBS 17 News.
Bridget, it's safe to say that your test results were negative, correct? All right.
Yes, not detected.
All right, thank you.
We'll take that. Thank you very much, Bridget. The Moore County Health Department has identified a COVID-19 outbreak at an assisted living facility in Southern Pine. So health officials tell us that one member and one resident of the Coventry tested positive for COVID. Now, under state guidelines, visitors